Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need clean data now. Start by arranging your table with headers and consistent value types. Select the full range including labels. This tells Sheets what to plot. Once done, click Insert then Chart to create a default chart immediately. Make sure to include the header row so axis labels and legend populate automatically, which saves time. If you plan multiple series, keep them in adjacent columns. You can also hold Control or Command to include non-adjacent ranges before inserting the chart. Now refine the visual. Open the chart editor and switch chart type to line, bar, or scatter depending on your story. You'll choose axis formats, categorical versus numeric, so values plot correctly. Once chosen, use the Customize tab to tweak series colors, add data labels, and set axis min/max. This improves readability. Make sure to check aggregation or smoothing options if numbers are summarized. Also verify the legend and axis titles for clarity, so viewers immediately understand the variables. Finish by placing and sizing the chart on the sheet, then export via the three-dot menu if you need an image. Once done, link your chart to live data so edits update the graph automatically. If the plot looks wrong, inspect cells for text in numeric columns or blank entries. These create gaps or incorrect scales. Make sure to use named ranges or array formula for dynamic updates. This prevents manual reselecting and keeps the graph accurate as new rows appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.